In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online in Nigeria as a student. There are so many online opportunities available to you right here in Nigeria as a student. And in this video, I'll be exposing all of them to you. One important thing about what I'm going to be teaching you today is that you can do any of them with your smartphone in the comfort of your room. So get ready to take notes and let's dive right in. But before that, please, I'll give you a few seconds to do me a favor. And guess what? What's that favor? Please just subscribe to my channel so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I upload a content, just like this one you're about to watch. Okay? So yeah, I'm giving you these few seconds. Please try, do me a favor, subscribe. Yeah, thank you for doing it. Now, let us go. First up, let's talk about freelancing. With skills such as writing blog posts or even social media content, graphic designing or programming, you can offer your services on platforms like Upwork. Then on this particular Upwork, you can register, and when you sign up there, you have a lot of works you can do there as a student. You can do something like writing blog posts for your clients. You can also go to websites such as Fiverr. And on this Fiverr, you just need to sign up and begin to offer your services to your clients using your phone or your laptop. You can also go to another website known as Freelancer. Freelancer is a platform where people can earn money by doing freelance work, such as writing, such as programming, and also such as graphic designing. And this platform will definitely connect you with clients from all over the world, allowing you to pick up projects that align with your skills and schedule. So please make sure that as a student that you're going to seize this opportunity to start making some cash for yourself. Then next on the thing that you can do online to make money as a student is what we know as online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, why not share your knowledge and earn some money while doing so? There are various online platforms where you can offer your tutoring services, helping students from all over Nigeria and all over the world improve their academic performance. Websites such as Check Tutors can also help you to become a tutor, where you can sign up. And once you sign up, there are so many things you can do for students there. You can solve assignments. You can do so many things for students. You can teach them any particular thing you know you are very good at, and you get paid for doing such services. Another website where you can offer this particular service for you to earn money is a platform known as tutor.com. Under this tutor.com, if you sign up, you can teach students from all over the world, depending on what you know you are very good at, like mathematics, whatsoever thing you know you can teach students. You can go into this particular website and begin to teach students and begin to earn money for yourself. This particular website provides a platform where you can help students around the world with their studies or while earning a little sum of money. Then another way to make money online in Nigeria as a student is through data reselling. You might have been seeing some people advertising 1 gig data for about 300 naira or 350 as the case may be, and you might wonder why the data is that cheap compared to buying it directly from your network provider. Data reselling companies buy this data at wholesale prices and then resell them to you at a lower price than you would get from your network provider, with the data resellers acting as agent. Now, this is where you can definitely come in as a student. This is a business that can make you at least, as a data reseller or data reselling agent, a profit of at least 3,000 naira per day. That's to say, if you have a 1 gig data being sold to you at 300 naira, is also bought between 200 and 250 naira. That is to say, each particular data you sell, which 1 gig you say, you're going to make at least a an amount of 50 naira, which is the wholesale price bought from data reselling companies. Some websites where you can definitely do data reselling business is a website known as vtu.ng. If you go to vtu.ng, you sign up and you begin to sell data. Once you buy data at a cheaper rate from them, you can sell to your fellow students, you can sell to people that are outside the campus. Another place where you can sell data to make money is a website known as clubconnect.com. That is clubconnect.com. So we offer instant top-up of airtime, data bundle, recharge card printing, cable TV subscription, electricity bill payment, purchase of WAEC APIN, JAMB APIN, and so many other things. These are some of the things you can actually do at the comfort of your home with either your phone or your laptop. And another website that can also help you as a student to make money with selling data is a website known as wixsub.ng. This wixsub.ng, you can see on their website, they say get 1 gig for 260 naira and it's valid for 30 days. Now, you know that you can get this 1 gig at 260, you can sell it at 350, you can sell it at 400, depending on your bargaining power. And the rest is your profit. Now, let's move on to affiliate marketing, which is another way to make money online in Nigeria as a student. This involves promoting product or services and earning a commission for each successful sale through your referral link. It is a win-win situation for both you and the company you are promoting. So why not give it a try? Companies like Amazon can also give you a platform for you to do affiliate marketing. You can just sign up, get any of the products here and begin to sell for yourself. And anybody that buys this particular product using your affiliate link, you are going to gain a commission. And in Nigeria here, there is a particular affiliate program that is known as Jumia KOL. This content creator, influencer, or affiliate join us to earn some commission. In this particular one, you are going to sell a product. Like at the time of recording this particular video, students are about to resume. And they want to resume, you can sell some products that are also useful to students. And the ones anybody buys through your affiliate link, definitely you are going to get some commission. This particular program involves selling physical products. Then another way to make money online as a student in Nigeria is to consider selling products online. This could be anything from handmade crafts to second-hand books. Gigi can help you to do these things. Products. You can go to Gigi and list them. Once you list them, people in Nigeria, you can sell your used product and make some money. Another website through which you can sell some of your product to make money is a website known as OLX. Then this is join the millions who buy and sell from each other every day in local communities around the world. You can sign up in this website and begin to make money. And another website where you can also sign up to make money as a student by selling products is a website known as studypools.com. Under this study pools, you are allowed to upload your documents like school question papers, your assignments, your notebooks, the notebooks you have used probably in your previous semester. You can sign up here and begin to upload them in order for you to make money as a student here in Nigeria. Lastly, let us not forget about online surveys and the micro tasks. Many companies are willing to pay you for your opinion or for completing simple tasks online. It may not make you rich overnight, that's what you should know, but it is a great way to earn some extra income in your free time. There's so many websites where you can go to do some micro tasks or some surveys. For example, we have the one we call Surveo. In this survey, it says, join the Surveo community, earn up to 5,333 naira per survey. All you need to do as a student is to just go to this particular place, you have free registration, register there, sign up, and begin to answer some survey questions. Another website that you can also use to make money as a student doing some micro task or online survey is known as surveylama.com. Under this surveylama.com, says you can earn up to 3,500 per survey from home. Take paid online surveys and earn up to 150,000 naira per month. Then if you just come up to this particular place, you're going to sign up for free and begin to answer some survey questions. Now, another website that can also give you an opportunity to do micro tasks is the one we know as nairaworkers.com. Under this nairaworkers.com, you can do so many things. You can refer your friends and family members for you to make money. You can do some micro tasks here, micro tasks like following people on Facebook, follow people on Twitter, and there are some other tasks that can also, for you to just to visit a particular website and sign up, or you can like and retweet any pinned tweet. You can also watch YouTube video for 2 minutes and subscribe. And once you do that, there are different amounts of money that you can be paid. And as a student, at your leisure time, you can do all these tasks and begin to earn money. Now that you have known these amazing online opportunities, don't just sit back and watch. Take action and start making money today. Till next time, happy money making. See you in my next video.